our designers were busy cooking theme caters, which was formerly known as Moodle themes, and we started our theme designing service in 2011 with over dozens of themes, each having dozens of color combinations. And at that time, Moodle didn't have the flexibility to change colors on fly. In 2012, as most of our customers were in USA and our server infrastructure was also in USA, we felt the need to expand and we incorporated our company in USA in 2012. In 2013, we got the opportunity to be official partners with Mahara, and which is an open source e-portfolio that integrates with Moodle. By 2014, we had over 10,000 satisfied customers, and by the end of 2015, we launched Congria, which is an open source online virtual classroom software. More details about the same will follow shortly. And this is just the beginning of 2016, and as announced by Martin himself, we are proud to have official Moodle partnership. A major part of what we do is software development, be it development of our internal products or that for our customers. Usually the requirements that we receive from our clients vary a lot. Few of them require us to integrate two or more applications together, such as an ERP or SIS with Moodle. Integration could also include syncing users, their grades, etc. And our finished solution is able to work seamlessly between these applications. Some customers, they require us to add or modify a specific feature in their existing applications, like they need custom reports in Moodle or any other feature, so we provide them. And a large number of customers, especially in India, who are just starting with their venture, are unable to settle with a specific solution. So, along with the Moodle, they need a front-end website with the ability to book for online classes, a billing software, a payment gateway along. So we take time to understand their requirements and we provide them a total solution that takes care of their complete cycle end to end. Key to School is our managed Moodle hosting service, and Key to School is backed by cloud infrastructure of Vidya Mantra. Vidya Mantra fully own and operate its complete infrastructure, including servers, routers, and switches in Texas, USA. We started Key to School in 2009, and within these 7 years, we have served over 10,000 customers, including universities, schools, colleges, corporates worldwide. We offer 30 days free trial, and our plans start with as low as Rs 3,000 per year. For promotions, we are happy to extend our services to all of you as 1 year of free Moodle hosting. Please do not forget to collect brochures with discount coupon from our exhibit booth. As soon as you sign up with us, you will be welcomed with instant Moodle setup, and your Moodle will always be kept up to date with the latest version. You'll also get full administrative control over Moodle, so you can create multiple accounts for administrator, teachers, students. You can create courses and do everything that Moodle can. Your data will be safe with our daily remote backups, and your Moodle will be secure with the SSL security. You'll be greeted with various third-party plugins pre-installed to your Moodle, which would include modules such as certificate modules. You'll find a large number of themes to choose from, and if at any time you find yourself lost, you can contact our Timely Support Center. You'll be pleased to note that you won't be billed for the inactive users on your website. So now you no longer need to worry about the inactive users. We simply won't count them for the day. Theme Caterers, formerly known as Moodle Themes, has been delivering amazing Moodle themes since 2011.